everyone from Mrs. Rena's Cocoon. Hope you all are doing great, right? Yes. Now I welcome you all for the day 11 English online reading class. And today's topic is how to introduce the blending sound of vowel O along with all the consonants to our tiny one. So as we all knew that these are the vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O and U, right? But when you are introducing a new topic or when you are conducting a new topic, you should do a recap to your child. So yes, you can go through the old stories, the vowel stories, and just tell them once, and then if you start, that would be better. So what are the vowels? A. I'm using different colors as I always say in my all the classes. These colors I'm using because of to differentiate the sounds as well as to easy to remember the vowels. E, I, O and U. See these are the different colors. A for green color for A, and the sound of it is A. And orange color, that's for vowel E, and the sound is A. And pink color for vowel I, and the sound of I is E. And yellow color, I'm using yellow color for O, and the sound of O is A. And I'm using blue color for letter U, vowel U, and the sound of it is A. For a recap, you can just tell the old story, the vowel and consonant story. Now, the consonants are B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, K, R, S, T, B, W, Z, Y and Z. Now I have taken yellow color for letter O, vowel O. And what is the sound of O? O. So when I join along with a consonant, vowel O with a consonant, here the consonant is B, O, B. As always I say, ask your child to say separately A, B. Then slowly ask them to join together. A, B. Now little faster. A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Okay? So make sure that they should understand the concept of joining together. So give another example. Here, A, K. The sound of C is K. A, K. Faster. A, K. A, K. A, K. A, K. A, K. A, K. Clear? Yes. Now, A, D. A, D. A, D. A, D. Odd. Same way, you should just make them join all the vowel O with consonant. Now, off, off, og, 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 oj, 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 ok, ok, all, all, om, om, o, y, oil, oil. S, os. Now there is a speciality of vowel O. Do you know what it is? Yes. In our previous classes, just recollect those classes, when I was joining vowel A, E and I asked you all to not to include some of the consonants here, right? To avoid confusion. But vowel O is something special. He is a friend of all the consonants. So this time we are including all the consonants while blending with vowel O. So friends, hope this video is going to be a useful one for you to teach your little one how to blend the sound with vowel O and all other consonants. And I'll see you all in our next video. That's day 12 video, in which I'll show you how to blend vowel U with all other consonants. Till that, take care. Bye bye.